Hey guys, welcome to MADHU'S culinary classes. Today's recipe is super tasty and super yummy chocolate Palkova. Things required are 2 cups of milk powder, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, salt, 2 teaspoons of ghee. Let's get started. First, in a vessel, add half a cup of milk. Give it a slight boil. Then add 1 cup of milk powder and mix it well. Now add another cup of milk powder and mix it well. At this stage, we are adding half a cup of milk and stirring it. At this stage, we are adding 1.5 cup of brown sugar. I have used brown sugar here. You can use any sugar. Mix it well. Stir it continuously, otherwise it will stick to the vessel. Now we are adding 2 teaspoons of ghee and mixing it well. Add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder and mix it well. Take a container, grease it with ghee, place a butter paper and tap the Palkova. Let it set for about 1 hour. Here, our yummy and super tasty chocolate Palkova is ready to serve. For more such videos, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do follow us on our social media handles. Don't forget to check out the next video. Bye!